Hello, everyone. Today is officially the 1 year anniversary of the 2020 DC Extended Universe movie, Birds of Prey. Yep, that's right. So, Birds of Prey is a 2020 movie that came out on February 7th, 2020. And here's what the Blu-ray looks like, featuring Margot Robbie as Harley Quinn. Rated R, and the running time is 109 minutes. I do remember seeing this movie in the theaters with my dad and Uncle Charles, and we all liked it. Birds of Prey is also one of my favorite movies of 2020 last year. I really enjoyed it. Here are the discs here. So yeah, Birds of Prey, one of my all-time favorite 2020 movies, and I also did like the after credits scene where it's like an audio after credits scene where Harley Quinn's like, "Are you dummies still sitting there? Fine. Since you stuck it out this long, I'll tell you a super duper secret which you can't tell anyone. Okay. Do you know that Batman?" But then of course, but then she was cut off when the Warner Brothers closing logo ends, when it fades to black. But yeah, so Margot Robbie it does a great job as Harley Quinn, just like in Suicide Squad. And Ewan McGregor was pretty good in this movie too. So with that being said, happy 1 year anniversary to Birds of Prey. And so that's going to be it for this video. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And as always, thanks for watching. And until next time, goodbye everybody, and that's about it.